I haven't recorded this. Fine. So RBL will be for the buy. Because this is the upside moment. So you will be getting this. So look for buy setup in case of RBL Bank, not to sell for at least like 250 or something, or it is matching with this channel top. So maybe 250 or 260. So look for buy setup in case of RBL Bank, not to sell. There's one more question.
I think किसी का GMM Fodler था.
Yeah, I will look. Axis Bank. Okay. Right. On the Axis Bank and the Bank Nifty chart, both are looking same. So similarly, they are going to go for 61% to the 80% of this total fall. So this will be the structure. If I just add this, this will be like A, B, and C, or this will be like a diamond shape. Like this, if it comes down, then it is down. Then it will be going to go for the buy or a continuation of this. But as per now, it is looking like a small sell, then a buy. So look for buy setup in case of Axis Bank also, because this is a sharper movement for the upside and it is consolidating. So you may be expecting a smaller down. So that will be completing your A, B, and C. Then we are going to go for one more up, or it might be the structure that of the diamond. If it is diamond, it might be continuation for the downside, or from this it will be reversing and touching the high. Okay, on the hourly basis. GMM Frodla. Oh my god. 432 directly. What is the level? In hourly, it is looking like 4,250 to 5,000. Very good.
So it hit upper circuit, sir.
Yes, that is very good. Means here it was like 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 if I am looking. So now the new trend line will be this. And for upside only, it is like it has done for this upside too, I think. This, there is this little space left for the upside for me to exit. Like if it is there, so I maybe exit somewhere around 24 and 95, 2495 if I am getting a confirmation on this. But if I'm looking only this part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after this it might be the correction, then you will be looking like one more 61%. That is 6460. So look for the buy only, not to sell. Okay. So here in the
right
ये
now,
GMM Fodler का समझ ही नहीं रहा है, because I mean if you look at it from 2015 or 14 onwards, okay, it has given solid growth. Okay. So generally the question would be whether this kind of growth in this company would keep continuing. Okay. Strong तो बहुत ही लग रहा है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा strong लग रहा है. But क्या करना चाहिए मतलब?
So abhi ke liye, like for here, if I'm considering only this, like this is the upside. Okay, this is like a log scale. If I'm looking in that, so it might be the 1 and 2 here for me. So after that, it might be 1 and 2 or like a 3 and 4 here, and maybe at the end of something or some structure will end somewhere here. Because if I'm just adding this to like to the top, it already covered 461% or 421, and above that is I don't have this Fibonacci to count here, but it is like upside itself, right? So, but for the exiting purpose, I will exit at the channel.
Can you check? Sir, can you check 15 minutes for tomorrow?
Yes.
I got 5480.
Okay. 15 minutes. 5480.
Somewhere there.
Okay. Yeah, it is for the buy only, so no issue. Because this is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So there is one more up is pending. And you can add this as a trend line. So if it is not crossing, so here if it is like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 also, in the 5 also there is 2 more waves are pending. So here it is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Maybe 5, 5 or 5, 5500 can be expected.
55, no, sir? Okay, sir.
So that can be expected.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so look for the buy in case of JMM toddler, not to sell. HDFC Limited we have discussed early, and daily and weekly time frame. Okay, that we will do. And work out from a daily and hourly. Okay. So here, in case of workout, you will be looking for the buy, but after this fall, it will be little bit worrisome. On the long term, it might be hitting to the channel stop. Let's take that. What is the level? This will be the first. This will be the second. From this stop, okay. So here I am considering it as a new start from this end or from this end. It may be like a or 1 for me. So here it's a B. It is going for the C. So one more up is pending in this. So that will be doing like a and B. Again, it has to come for the down before it can go any further up. So here you can look for the buy for at least like 411 or something, but there is a little space, 300 to 411. Then one downside can be expected. If it takes some time here, that will be a good sign. So we'll be seeing one more up. So that structure will be completing this like this, or a running flat or running triangle like structure will be seen in case of workout. On the hourly basis, it is for the buy because something has started at this particular point from the level of 257. So now it is consolidating. So you can look for the buy for this for 419 or 420. Okay. For HDFC weekly, it is near like 61% or after 61% near it, 80% is there. But if I'm looking this structure ABC, so now it will be like a AB, and in that C also like it will be AB. So it will be going for the 80% and 100%, but after that one fall, maybe this or maybe this can be expected because this is in the B way. We can't say how much it go. It may be going 80%, 100%, and even 138% also. But after that, we will expecting this one fall in the weekly structure. On the daily, we have discussed already, like it is going inside, so there is a chance like it might be going for the 80%. So this will be matching with this structure like a triangle. Okay, so ABC, after that it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So look for buy only on the weekly basis and daily basis, and even for the hourly, that is the same. Okay. Dixon is a short term. So what is the time frame? Maybe in 15 or 15 minutes, or Dixon Technology hourly. I look. It is buy only, not to sell. So here in the Dixon hourly basis, it is for the buy, not to sell. Okay. After this one upside movements, it is like a consolidating, then that is a good sign. Like this up, this will be upside. Okay, fine. HDFC, fine. A weekly or daily structure of this HDFC, if you are asking me, then after this a long consolidation, or here term some time, so it will be going to go for 61%, that is 2108 and 2259. So that will be the structure which I am looking in case of HDFC Limited. So go for buy in this also. Wait for this consolidation, or whenever you get the opportunity, like from this level, or if it does like this, you can enter for upside. Okay. Yeah, Pidilite. And I'm extremely sorry for the today's disturbance, whatever happened. This was not expected, but it happened. Can't do anything. Okay. So Pidilite, you can look for the buy from this top, maybe this, and for this again, like from here, it is good chart. A Pidilite is looking good. For example, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after this, you will be looking for the C. So it will be going to hit the top first. That will be 1600 or 1580, then to the 1680 or 1650 or something. So look for buy, not to sell. So this is a good chart. You can trade. One can enter in this.
Sir, if there's no other question, DV's hourly. Sir. DV's lab.
DD lab.
DV's lab.
Okay, hourly. Yeah. I think you people might be hearing the background noises in this. So are you hearing like any background music or background noise of motors?
No, sir.
Going? No?
No.
Maybe for me it is. Okay. On the hourly, it is like, okay. Can take like something has started from this particular point. One, two, three, four. There is a small upside is pending, I hope, as per this. Like this is a 1, 2 if I'm looking in, if it is a 3 and 4.
So they just declared bumper results on aftermarket.
Yeah, they'll book.
Achha, then it will come down.
Yeah, as per the chart, it is not looking very much good. So here, like it might go to the channel stop. I'm not saying, but after that it will reverse, because at least to the 30% or 50%. Because if I'm considering this as a 1 and 2, and if it is a 3 and 4, the 5 of 1, 5 of 3, 4, and 5 of 5, and it won't be crossing as much as this third wave presently, because it could not be the shortest. So if I'm considering this, so this is the top. So anywhere from